Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in DIY projects, DIY room decors and DIY room makeovers, then kindly subscribe to my channel and let's create beautiful pieces using household items. Here, I'll be showing you a quick and easy DIY Christmas wreath. For this DIY, you will need a round piece of metal, some Christmas tinsel, any color you like. I used green and gold because that's what I had on hand, some Christmas ornaments, and of course a glue gun. I started off by wrapping the tinsel around a piece of metal nice and tightly, making sure there was no spaces in between. And this is what your wreath should look like. I then used my hot glue gun and glued the Christmas ornaments onto the wreath. Thank you so much for watching. Until my next video, please stay safe.